Wondering if it's possible to bypass Examplify? While Examplify is designed to prevent cheating, there are various strategies to bypass Examplify. In the end, I will also share a secret method through which you can cheat Examplify with 100% safety. You can try to cheat on Examplify by switching windows with Alt+Tab, using the desktop XE trick, or setting up a virtual machine. Additionally, using a phone or other devices not connected to the Examplify PC could also be used to cheat on Examplify. Use a different device. To get around Examplify's restrictions, you can try using a separate device to bypass Examplify, utilizing a mobile device. A hidden phone can be useful during exams. You can position it under your desk and operate it to search for answers. Using Alt+Tab. Use Alt+Tab to switch between windows. Hold Alt while pressing Tab and the right Alt key to cheat with Examplify using the desktop.exe technique. The desktop's exe application on Windows allows users to create virtual desktops for different tasks. With this method, you can access another desktop remotely, making it possible to access files while Examplify is running. Use a virtual machine. A virtual machine setup can help to bypass Examplify restrictions. This setup allows you to use different operating systems, with Examplify running on one and other software on another. In 2025, I know old tricks are either not working or giving a frustration to the students, so I have a best method of 2025 to bypass Examplify. In this secret trick, I will control laptop remotely, bypassing Examplify with the help of my secret software. After the setup is done, apparently, student will be sitting in front of the laptop, but my expert team will be the one choosing correct answers for students. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in more insights into proctored exams and new techniques, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated.